You are looking for how to enhance video quality in CapCut from HD to Ultra HD, then how you can do that. So first put the video to the timeline and um, splitting the video to make it short so it can process quickly. So select the video and now head to the video section on the right side. And under the basic section, you will see that there is a enhanced quality. So click on that. Now the processing is start because the level is HD and it takes some time. And if you want to convert it to Ultra HD, then click on this arrow and select the Ultra HD. And now the enhancing image quality process is started. So it takes some time, depends upon the length of your video and the speed of your computer. So let me pause here. I'll get back once the processing finished. So now the process has been finished. Now play it and looks how it works. And now let's play it how it looks. This is what you can see, that the quality is improved from HD to Ultra HD. So in this way you can easily enhance your video quality from HD to Ultra HD. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.